guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Madison. For today's video, I'm going to be showing you how I got this Gigi Hadid inspired makeup look. Gigi is a queen. I love Gigi. She's so beautiful and I'm so excited to be filming this video today. It's not exactly the same. I've used a mixture of drugstore and high-end products, but I'm very happy with the way it's turned out. Please subscribe if you haven't down below, and yeah, that's about it. Let's just jump right in. We put the good in the good in the good life. We put the good in the good. Okay guys, so first things first, I'm going to take my Nivea Moisturizing Day Cream and apply it all over my face. Okay, so next I'll be taking my Maybelline Baby Skin Instant Pore Eraser Primer and apply it all over my face for a nice even start. Next, I'm going to be taking my Revlon Colorstay Stay Active Matte Foundation. And I was really upset because I'd noticed that there's not a lot left in the bottle, so I have to go out and get some more. So I just opened the tube and I'm taking whatever I can that's left and applying it to my face. Just a quick disclaimer, I do know that my face and my body are two different colors at the moment, but that's because I have a spray tan, so I'm using a darker foundation to match my body. I know it looks a little crazy, but just roll with it, guys. Okay guys, so now I'm taking my foundation brush and just blending in my foundation to my face. Okay, now I'm taking my Catrice Waterproof Full Coverage Concealer and applying it under my eyes, with my forehead, down my nose and by my smile lines. I'm in the color 05 because I want it to be quite brightening. Okay, so now that we look a little crazy, we're going to take an oval brush and just blend it all in. So now I'm going to be taking the Yardley Stay Fast Press Powder in a translucent shade and applying it under my eyes mainly, but all over my face for a nice matte finish. Okay, so moving on to brows, I'm going to be taking the Benefit Brow Dip Pomade in the color 05. Oh, and struggling to open apparently. And I'm just going to be applying it to my eyebrows, just in the sparse areas because Gigi's eyebrows weren't very dramatic in the photo, so I just did a very natural look. Okay, so moving on to contour, I've got this random contour palette and I'm just doing a very natural contour because Gigi's face was more focused on the eyes, so just do a very natural contour, contouring the cheeks, a little bit on the jawline and a tiny bit on the forehead. I'm now taking my Kabuki brush, which I think is the cutest little brush in the whole world. I really love it. It's so cute. And I'm just blending in my contour. Okay, so now moving on to the eyes, I'm going to take my favorite palette in the whole world, the Modern Renaissance palette by Anastasia Beverly Hills, and I'm taking the color Tempera and applying it all over my lids. Okay, so now I'm taking the shade Warm Taupe and applying it to the crease of my eye, focusing more on the outer corner and blending towards the inner corner of the eye. Now I'm just taking my blending brush and blending it all together. So now I'm going to be taking my Catrice liquid eyeliner and applying it to my eyes. I'm not gonna lie, it's kind of scary doing it on camera. Moving on to mascara, I'm using the Benefit Cosmetics They're Real Mini, which I love because, you know, I love little cute things. So yeah. Okay, so now I'm going to go in with my Anastasia Beverly Hills Glow Kit and apply quite a small amount to my cheekbones. And yeah, I'm very excited about it. And now I'm jamming to my playlist. I'm so cringe. I'm also adding some highlighter down the bridge of my nose. I went ahead and added my lashes off camera because it takes me so long. Moving on to lips, I'm going to take my Kylie Jenner lip kit in the color Brown Sugar and apply it to my lips. Now my lips are done and I'm just setting my face with some setting spray. So guys, this is our finished look. I really enjoyed filming this and I think Gigi would be proud. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial and please subscribe down below and give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. And I'll see you guys in my next video.